Hey everyone! If you're on the road often, a dash cam is one of the smartest investments you can make. Whether it's for safety, insurance claims, or peace of mind, having a reliable dash cam can save you from a lot of headaches. Today, we are looking at the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2025. These models stand out for video quality, night vision, extra features, and ease of use. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Cabin Version 3-Channel 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G900 Cabin version is a 3-channel mirror dash cam, which means it records from the front, rear, and inside the cabin. Perfect for rideshare drivers, taxis, or anyone who wants complete coverage. It uses the Sony STARVIS 2IMX678 sensor, giving you 4K resolution up front, 1080p inside, and 2.5K at the rear. That means crystal clear footage day and night. It also comes with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast downloads, voice control, and even a 256 GB memory card included, so you don't have to buy extra storage. Pros: 3-channel coverage, front, rear, and cabin. STARVIS 2 night vision with amazing low light clarity. 256 GB card included. Voice control for hands-free use. Cons: bulkier than standard dash cam since it replaces your mirror. Cabin cam isn't needed for everyone. Number 2. Vantrue N5 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam. If you want full 360 degrees protection, the Vantrue N5 is a beast. It's a 4-channel dash cam, covering the front, rear, and dual-side interior cameras. It records in 2.7K resolution at the front and 1080p on the other 3 lenses. Plus, it features infrared night vision, making it ideal for night driving or rideshare safety. It has GPS voice control, Wi-Fi, and a 24-hour buffered parking mode, which means it starts recording a few seconds before an incident is detected. Pros: 360 degrees coverage with 4 cameras. IR night vision for inside and outside clarity. Parking mode with pre-buffer recording. Supports massive storage, up to 512 GB. Cons: pricier than standard dual-channel cams. Setup and wiring take more effort. Number 3. REDTIGER Dual 4K Dash Cam, F77V2. The REDTIGER F77V2 is a dual 4K front and rear dash cam using the Sony STARVIS 2IMX678 sensor for sharp image quality. It features dual HDR technology, which balances bright headlights and dark roads so you get clear details even in tough lighting. Other perks include a 4-inch touchscreen display, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, and an included 256 GB amp storage, which is faster and more reliable than South Dakota cards. Pros: dual 4K with HDR for balanced night vision. Touchscreen controls make it easy to use. 256 GB amp storage included. Great balance of features versus price. Cons: only dual channel, no cabin view. Touchscreen can reflect glare in direct sunlight. Number 4. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper Version 3-channel 4K dash cam. Similar to the first WOLFBOX G900, this is the bumper version optimized for front bumper rear and secondary rear views instead of the inside cabin. You still get 4K plus 2.5K plus 1080p resolution, STARVIS 2 night vision, Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control. And again, WOLFBOX includes a 256 GB card. This version is better for drivers who don't need interior coverage but want front and rear road protection with mirror-based convenience. Pros: front plus rear coverage in 4K 2.5K. STARVIS 2 night vision for low light. 256 GB card included. Sleek rear view mirror integration. Cons: doesn't record the cabin. Larger size than compact dash cams. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam X310 Compact 4K Dash Cam. For those who prefer something small and discreet, the Garmin X310 is a compact 4K dash cam with a clean design. It has a 140-degree field of view, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, and Garmin's Clarity Polarizer lens, which reduces reflections and glare on your recordings. Unlike mirror or multi-channel dash cams, this one is simple to install and use, perfect for minimalists. Pros: compact, discreet design, 4K recording with Garmin Clarity Polarizer, easy install, very user-friendly, GPS and auto recording built in. Cons: single camera only, less coverage than multi-channel dash cams. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2025. If you need complete cabin coverage, go for the WOLFBOX G900 cabin version. If you want 360 degrees all-around security, the Vantrue N5 is unbeatable. For a dual 4K balance of quality and price, the REDTIGER F77 V2 is an excellent pick. If you want a re-review mirror replacement without cabin footage, the WOLFBOX G900 bumper version is perfect. And if you prefer a compact, simple dash cam, the Garmin X310 is your go-to. Remember, the best dash cam is the one that fits your driving needs, whether that's extra safety at night, full 360 degrees coverage, or just a discreet camera for daily driving. Which dash cam would you trust for your car? Drop your pick in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth buying guides.